Hi everybody, I wanted to do a video to show you quickly and easily how to check your audio in Blackboard Collaborate so that you can participate in class with your mic and you can hear on your speakers. The easiest way to do this is to click on this blue microphone with the red wheel. That is your audio setup wizard, so clicking on it every time when you first log into Blackboard Classroom is always a good idea. When you first click on it, it's going to set up your speakers first. So you can see that I have two speakers here. I have my computer speakers and I have the speaker on the headset that I'm using. So I'm going to make sure that is blue and I'm going to click OK. Now when I click play, we have a recorded message that tells me exactly what I need to do to my speaker volume. So let's go ahead and listen to that really quick.
Welcome to the Audio Setup Wizard. This wizard will help you set the optimum levels for both your microphone and speakers. Please follow the instructions carefully. At this time, move the speaker slider to the right to increase the volume, or to the left to decrease the volume. To increase your volume further, you may have to adjust the level on your speakers. To repeat this message, click No and then try again. Thank you.
Okay, so after the message goes off, you have this question where you're able to set the speaker volume at a comfortable level. I'm going to click yes, and my speakers are now set up. So the next thing you're going to do is set up your microphone. I have two microphones. I have my internal microphone, which you will have on your K-12 computer. So use that microphone, or if they sent you a microphone, make sure you use it every day. Make sure it's set up. I'm going to click on my microphone for my headset and press OK. And now I'm going to record a short message so that I can know that my microphone is working and I can hear myself in it. So let's just go ahead. You can say whatever you want, but you will press record. You can say testing, testing, and then you get to play it back. Press stop, and you can play it back. Okay, so my microphone is working, and I will just click yes because I was able to set my microphone volume, and the audio setup is complete, and I am ready for participation in class, and we cannot wait to hear your sweet voice on the mic in class every day. Thank you so much.